An anonymous question from Udaipur, Rajasthan. The person is not giving the name. A nameless question has been arised. So be curious. Be curious, because you never know what kind of question is this, where a person doesn't want to disclose the name. But let's call this man a big brother, because the big brother is watching what the answer will be. So big brother from Udaipur, Rajasthan is asking, can alcohol be helpful in meditation? Is it connected to meditation in any manner? Now you see, that's why anonymous question. That's why the nameless question, because the question is so great. My dear friend, big brother, you have to know one thing, that by consuming alcohol, you are falling down from conscious. And in meditation, you are transcendating the conscious. You are transcendenting the conscious. Now this may look similar to you in some manner. Therefore maybe the question has arose. But it is not helpful if you are falling down. You want to climb somewhere, you are somewhere in middle and you have fall down. It doesn't mean that it is some way helpful because you have fall down now. You have to rise. You have to rise up. You have to transcend that stage. Only one thing, that you are ready to get out of this conscious. That is the similarity in consuming alcohol and being in meditation. But that is a super conscious stage. That is not something that you have totally out of conscious, you are totally out of awareness. That is 100% awareness. You are much more, you have transcended that situation. So don't call it that it is connected to any manner. But in this way you may feel that it is maybe connected, but it is not. Remember it. If you are consuming, only there is one point, that you are fed up with the conscious, you are fed up with the situations which are going on. Now you want to transcend that. You want to get away with that. Everything what is going on in the life is boring, is a vicious circle for you. Now you want something else in the life to happen. You are consuming alcohol because you don't know the way to get out. To get out from that situation is meditation. Meditation can take you away, and that will be the situation where you will be in conscious stage, where you will be doing everything as you are doing now. But that would be different. Everything the same, living the life in a same manner, but completely different, a different angle. A different angle has arose. But when you are consuming alcohol, you are running away from the situation. What is going to happen? You are unconscious for certain time at the time when you have alcohol in your blood. But as soon as the alcohol is away, the same man with the more horrible situation is there. Now more and more alcohol you need to be more and more unconscious. And a day will come, you will realize your mind, your body, they are not working as they are about to work, as you need them to work. Now the body is not with you, the mind is with not with you. You are going in hospitals, Hospital people, they are treating you like a third degree punishment. They are taking out the alcohol. They are doing so many things. What a connection with meditation and alcohol. If ever somebody will know that there is a similarity between consuming alcohol and meditation, I think most of the people will run away also from meditation. Because one thing, to achieve meditative stage, you need many years. A lot of hard work you are doing, a lot of time you are donating, then you are actually able to have that meditative stage, a complete new thing. And if you are connecting it to alcohol, then who is the foolish? Alcohol you can consume in just some time. Buy it, be drunk. Then why meditation? Because meditation is meditation. You cannot compare it. Alcohol is falling down and meditation is rising up, getting up. So, alcohol is not actually helpful for meditation, not in any manner. There is no connection. Only one thing, that you are ready to leave the conscious, you are ready, you are fed up with the situations, you are fed up with the thoughts which are running. Now you want to be out of that. That is the only favorable situation. Therefore you have went to alcohol. You went to alcohol, consuming alcohol. Now you want to get out. That is the only favorable situation. That is that thought. What arose before consuming the alcohol is helpful in meditation. So the thought is coming. Life is useless. The thoughts are useless. The conscious is useless. Thought is coming. Be aware. Be aware and start to be in meditation from that time on, not in alcohol. I think, my big brother, you understood, and next time, don't worry, because I am knowing who is asking me the question. Actually, I am behaving like a big boss or a big brother. I know who has asked me this question. So take care and be more courageous. Take your name. Thank you.